with a big round head. Add a sparkly crown. Draw a hair fringe. Add 2 big eyes. Give her a happy smile. Draw her big flowy dress. Now color her all in. Now the next color. Yay! All done!